I'm headed to a class right now. My friend's an English teacher here in Malaysia, and he asked me to come through to speak to the students. They're Chinese, and they're in their 30s, and they just want to speak to someone who's a native English speaker. And I'm like, I don't know if I'm the best person to do that, but okay. So yeah, I'm nervous. My best friend told me don't be nervous, so now I'm more nervous, and I'm just like, oh, breathe, Raven, breathe. But yeah, let's go. Oh my gosh, my pants are so wrinkled. I tried to iron them and they were not held. They were not doing it. Oh my gosh. Uh, I think it's this one. I think. Raven? Okay, yeah, that was the wrong car. But I'm in the right one now, and it's hot. It's gotten really hot here in Malaysia. Well, I know it's hot year round, but it's extra hot. This is apparently their hot season, so hotter than normal. But yeah, it's gonna be a good day. Okay, I wasn't even trying, but I made it here early. I'm still so nervous. My stomach is killing me. Like, what is happening? Okay, I'm waiting for Ray. He's coming down to get me.
Expensive.
Yeah, 50%.
I think similar.
Yeah.
Because if I'm very intelligent but I can't hard working, I think results I can't successful.
Yeah.
Yeah. If I every day go to company hard work every day, but I'm not intelligent, maybe my boss can't like me because I'm intelligent, include everything, include the meeting, including and working. So I think intelligence is very important.
Yeah.
I think if I want achieve success in company, I think intelligent and hardworking together.
Okay.
Yeah.
How is it in companies in China? Do they like employees more like they like your personality or more about how hard you work? Which is more important in the when you work in a Chinese company?
Maybe I think in my hometown maybe and hardworking maybe eight 80%.
Okay,
Like
80%.
20 personality.
Okay,
Yeah.
so hard working is more important.
Maybe 20 and uh, parents introduce give go to company. It's very important.
Okay, so your
Yeah.
parents having connections with the company.
Yeah,
Okay, nice. Okay, yeah, I was saying the U.S. is sometimes if people like you, you can be dumb and don't do a good job and you will still like be successful because the people like you.
Yes.
If the boss likes you,
Yes.
even if you're stupid, you can be successful in
yes.
America. It's very
The same in China.
okay.
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. So what would you tell your 20-year-old self?
Maybe I don't give up my offer to the offer to job worker to the Alibaba. I quit. I give up.
Yeah.
Like $200.
Yeah.
So if I 2022 I will
Go back and do the job.
yes.
Okay.
And don't believe the man. Seminar on words.
Don't believe it. You heard it here. Don't believe it. Summer.
Don't depend.
I know you were. I know you can't give advice to your
Winzy?
Lindsay. I know you can't give advice to your 20-year-old self, but how young are you now? You're 16, right? Do you? Is there advice that maybe your parents or someone else gave you that you thought was good advice? No. No. Okay.
All of them.
All of them? They're giving you good advice? Okay, good. Summer,
Yes,
what advice would you give your 20-year-old self?
study hard and no doubt that you are valuable and powerful. Yes, and to pursue and achievement your own dreams.
Okay, nice.
Shout out to Ray for inviting me to speak to his class. I had so much fun. It was so interesting getting to know each one of these ladies and to hear about their culture, what made them start learning English, and they are all doing so well. As you can see here, the young lady, Jessie 1, holding the certificate. This was her last day, so it's her graduation day. But yes, I had a blast. These ladies work so hard to learn a difficult language. English is my native language, but it's very difficult. It's very difficult for me still, remembering all the grammar rules, remembering all the past, present, future tense, remembering all those things. It's very, very difficult. And so I applaud each and every one of them for willingly, because as you can see, they're all in their 30s except for Wednesday. She's 16, but all of them, they willingly enrolled in this class. They willingly take English classes because they want to improve themselves. They want to learn another language. And girl, they better than me. I've taken Spanish classes before and I had to give up because it was hurting my head so much. And they spend like 8 hours a day in class 5 days a week. So shout out to each and every one of them. Thank you so much for having me. It was an honor. It was a privilege. And I am so grateful. Thank you.